सुखबीर बादल जी, Speaker sir, on behalf of my party Sh੍ਰੋਮਣੀ ਅਕਾਲੀ ਦਲ, I stand in support of the bill presented by the Honorable Home Minister scrapping Article 370 and 35A. Sir, before I say anything, I'd like to go back in history. When Mughals invaded India, they started converting Hindus into their religion. Sir? Yes. Then Kashmiri Pandits came to our ninth Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib, and requested him to save them. Our Guru, ninth Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib ji, sacrificed his life to save the Kashmiri Pandits and the Hindu community. Sir, Punjab is a neighbor of Jammu and Kashmir. Punjab has faced terrorism by Pakistan. We have felt what has happened in Kashmir. We have felt what is happening here. For 15 years, the economy of the Punjab state went down. Thousands of people were killed. A lot of people from our party leadership, our president was also killed. So, during the British time and during partition, the maximum state which suffered was Punjab. Sir, during the British partition time, British tried to come up with the three-nation formula. One